shortly be arriving at Stockport.
Hello! So I'm sorry it's been a while since I've done a video. Promise that they will be coming up soon, the tutorials. But today I thought I would do a little vlog, blog about my trip to uni. So this is my first day, so I'll be introduced to the studio spaces. So I thought I'd let you go on my journey with me. So some of you will be teenagers who are subscribed to me, and some may want to get an idea of what university's like, so I thought I'd do these little vlogs for you. Everything is quite different because of COVID, so it's not the kind of usual thing, but hopefully you'll get an idea. So some of you may be wondering why I chose Manchester School of Art as a university, and I chose it because it's the top, one of the top 10 in the UK. In fact, it's 7th, and it's also close to where I live, so I don't have to get an accommodation near Manchester. I can commute on the train instead, so they are the main reasons why I chose it. I also thought that the course was interesting compared to some of the other open days I went to. Manchester was definitely the one for me. So yeah, I'm sorry if it's a bit loud by the way while I'm walking. Directly in front of me is the art school. So if you don't know, it's the oldest art school building in the country as far as I know, or the oldest course. And Lowry, the famous Manchester artist, went here. So this building here, it connects to the old school, the old building, but this is a newer part of the art school in Manchester, so as you can see it's really tall. And then you've got this gallery thing here that connects to the old school.